Hey there folks, I got something pretty cool for you. What I have here is the Harvesting Gathering Bag from Barebones. This is a pretty cool bag that comes with a lot of use. So whether you're in a rural or an urban area, it comes in pretty handy. It's made of paraffin wax canvas, very similar to my nutsack bags. I noticed that right away, and the wax has nice character. You can see that it kind of like gets this coloring or this patina on it, not with the scratches also, but it's pretty durable. It's water resistant, the bag itself. Just trying to show you guys the stitching here on the handles, on the snaps. Nice color. They also have it available in gray. They added that recently. So I needed something like this because I wanted to use it for my daily, like not EDC, but like when I'm going to the supermarket. Here's a shot of the canvas straps and the canvas handle. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to break this down to show you where that canvas handle is attached to. Yeah, just a lot of character. I've only had it for about a week, and you can see already developing character. Inside is a removable, it's a little dark, a removable water liner, waterproof liner. So that's gonna come in handy. And I mean, it's waterproof, so you can actually use this to store like ice. It could be like a portable cooler, so you could put ice in there, you could put your drinks in there. You know, it's almost beach time, it's almost beach weather. God willing that we're allowed to go to the beaches. And you can see that it just snaps off. And here is the membrane that's removable. It's also pretty durable. So, and I'll show you a vid later where I remove this and what I use it for. Inside the bag, again, is that wax paraffin. Really well made. Seems to be very durable. I love it. It's got these lobster claw snap hooks, which you can easily remove this, and what it reveals is the dropout bottom. Again, it's a harvest gathering bag, so if you're in like a rural area and you're collecting apples, you can unsnap it and you can release all the fruit or whatever you gathered in the bottom. You can easily close it up with these hooks. And I mean, you don't have to use it for gathering and harvesting. There's lots of things. I live in urban areas, so you'll see in a little bit what I use it for. It's got these amazing little snaps with a little character. You can see it's got one that's copper and one that's like a matte gray, and they're different sizes, and they seem to be very well made, very durable. And the waterproof liner goes back inside, and you just snap it back in quite easily. I think it's got like 4 of these snap grommet things, and it's pretty useful, pretty cool. Again, it is waterproof, so you can only imagine what the Bandit would do with a waterproof liner. I want to showcase the pockets. Use the pockets over here. So if you want to put like your wallet or your EDC, your knife, whatever. I did notice there's some threads coming loose here after several carries. So maybe that's something that Barebones can address. It doesn't seem to affect functionality, but I'm a little bit concerned that the threading is coming undone. And that's really my only critique of it in the week so far that I've carried it. Again, you're to snap the lobster claw snap hooks. This has some kind of like a plastic material inside. It reminds me of my belt, like my gun belt, I guess, to keep it sturdier. So very durable. It's got the adjustable straps. So it does work like a backpack. So you can adjust the straps to whatever size you want. You can also remove the straps and just like tuck them inside the bag, whichever suits your needs. But real well made. The buckles seem to be nice gunmetal finish, and yeah, pretty impressive. Very sturdy. Right off the bat, I get the impression that Barebones makes a nice sturdy bag. And here is me with my baby, Luna, just taking her for a walk. I know what you guys are thinking. Mike, she wants to walk on the grass. You don't understand. I walk a long way and she gets tired. She's a little Shih Tzu Pomeranian, and I notice when she gets tired. So I just pick her up, throw her in the bag, and she just goes for a ride. Believe me, she's very comfortable. She loves it. I think she'd probably prefer this method of transport, but I just keep it handy. So when she gets tired, I pick her up and I throw my baby in the bag. All right, guys, that's Barebones.